Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain visualization and analysis of time series data. A time series in an ordered sequence of data that typically represent how quantity changes over time. Examples of such quantities could be stock market price, population changes, yearly temperature changes, or electricity consumption. So today I'm going to use stock market prices to analysis time series data and plot by using which one matplotlib library. So first of all, download data in the format of CSV of particular company. For example, I choose Infosys. So just go open google.com and search Infosys share price Yahoo Finance. So I'm going to download the data of the Infosys share prices from the Yahoo Finance. Just search on the google.com. Now it will give this link. Just open that link. Here you will get the what idea about Infosys prices, like uh, opening price, then high on that day, low on that day, closing what share price. So I'm going to download this data by clicking on the download link. So click on the download. Now check out that is infi.ns.csv file, means what all this data present in the format of which one CSV. Remember, here we are going to use time series data. Time series data means what, which changes over the time, like this these stock prices changes daily, or you can say hourly or on the minute basis, means this data continuously changes. Share prices continuously changes. That's why it is example of which one time series data. So I just downloaded this data set. I'm going to use this data set inside which one our code. So first of all, import two modules. First module is pandas, that is used to read the content of the CSV file, which contain the share prices information into the data frame object. And second module is called matplotlib, which is used to plot time series data on the graph. So first of all, I'm going to read the content of the CSV file into data frame object by using read underscore CSV function. So just write down df, that is data frame object, pd dot read underscore CSV, that is the name of the function I'm going to use. The name of the file I downloaded, that is called infi.ns.csv. That file I downloaded from which one? Yahoo Finance. You can download what any company share prices. I'm selecting which one? Infosys. Now just check out what is the format or what are the different columns present inside which one data set. Check out, this is the historical share prices of which one? Infosys. Now here, first column is a date. Okay, so that will represent what particular date. For example, this is 7/24 2019. 7 is a month, 24 is a date, and 2019 is which one? Your year. Okay, so at that day, that Infosys share price open, when market open, market start, initial price is what? 788. At that day, highest price is equals to what? 793. At that day, lowest price is what? 783. And it closed at that particular day, it closed at which one? 786 rupee. Okay, so it will give what information about prices, opening price and which one? Closing price. So right now I'm interested inside which one? Date, and which one? Second, close price. So I'm going to use these two column to plot time series data by using which one? Matplotlib. So first of all, now it consists of a lot of records. Check out, it consists of what? 244 records. A lot of records are present. But for simplicity purpose, I'm going to select only 10 records to plot on the your time series graph. So just write down df is equals to df, that is the data frame object, dot iloc in bracket, just give the index like 0 colon 11. So it will select all the records between what? 0 to 11. So it will start with 0 index and go up to what? 10 index. 11 index is not included. So total how many records are selected here? Total 10 records are selected. Check out, 0 to 10. So not 10, 0 to 10 means what? Total 11 records are selected. Okay, now I'm going to plot these data into which one your graph, time series graph. So again, I'm going to repeat this one. I'm going to use first column, that is called date column, and the second column is equals to which one, closing share price. I want to plot these two value on the time series graph. So how it is possible? It is very easy. Just write down PLT, that is allies for pyplot, PLT dot, then use what, X label. So first of all, I'm going to decorate this graph. That is the label for which one, X axis. So X label, what is the value I'm going to put on X label, that is called date value. Then PLT dot Y label, what is the value I'm going to put on the Y axis, that is equals to which one, share value or share price. You can write anything like share value at that particular day. And lastly, I'm going to use PLT dot which one, title. So that will give the title of the what, graph. In bracket here, I'm going to write time series demo, time series demo. Okay. Okay. So this is only decoration purpose. So this line will give the label for X axis. This line will give the label for which one, Y axis. This line will give the what, title for the graph. Now it is time to plot your time series data. So just use PLT dot, the name of the function is called plot. Plot what, here just write down plot date, in bracket give the first column x-axis value, that is called df, data frame object. Inside that one, which column I'm going to put inside on the x-axis, that is called date column. So just write down here date, then comma, second column, that is called df, in bracket which one, close. Okay, so closing price. So check out here, I'm using only two value, that is called date and the closing share price at particular date. So this time series data plot on the graph. So just execute this one. Now check out, it is showing only what, dots, and these dots means what, share price at particular date. Now here date is not displayed in proper format, so it is displayed in overlapping format. Now we can use what, decoration attributes to decorate this graph. So first of all, I'm going to fix this one. It is not displaying proper format. It is display, I'm not getting information. This is the share price for which date, this is the share price for which date. The first of all, I'm going to fix this one. So I'm going to display x-axis date value in proper format. So just copy this one, Control C, Control V. Now here I'm going to call a function. Check out here, that is called PLT pypot library alias, that is called PLT dot gate GCF, gate current figure. Okay, so that will obtain the reference of which one, this current figure. Dot, here write down auto what, FMT, that is called auto format underscore x date. Okay, so what is the meaning of this function? This function is used to rotate and what, align your x value to the right position. So just execute this one. When I execute this one, you can see now these x value display in proper format. So these are what, rotate and align to the right direction. So that is performed by using which one, auto format x underscore date function. So here check out, before calling auto format x date function, these x axis value display in overlapping fashion. After calling this one, now this x axis value display in proper position or proper format. Okay, now here I'm getting clearly idea. So this is the share price for which one, 24/7. This is the share price. This is the share price for which one, 25/7. Daily basis, I'm getting the idea of which one share price is. Now I want to connect all these dots, so you will get exactly idea how share prices changes over the time. For this purpose, again, I'm going to copy this one, paste here. I'm going to use one more attribute here inside point plot underscore date function. pass two parameter. First parameter is a date. This is the date. Second parameter is a closing share price. And third parameter I'm going to use, that is called line style. Line style is equals to solid. Okay. Now execute this one. What happened here when I use this one, check out. Now, when I write line style is equals to solid, it will join all the all the share prices day by day. So here I'm getting clearly idea. So like 24/7, the value of share, Infosys share price is what, 785, then what, 795, then it is again decrease. Then here check out sharp what decrease in the share price value between what 790 for example, and it will become what, 760 for example. So here I'm getting clearly idea how share prices of the Infosys or particular company changes when I add this property. That property is called which one? Line style is equals to solid. Now here again, what you can do, suppose you want to increase the size of the graph. Here check out, there are only 10 values, that's why it is displaying perfectly. 10 values are displayed perfectly, but suppose you want to display 100 values, you want to display 200 values or 1000 values, then you have to increase the size of the graph. So how to increase the size of the graph? That is again very easy. Just write down here one function that is called plt dot rc param, RC params, in square bracket, write down figure dot fig size, figure size, okay, is equals to, you have to provide the list. Inside list, first parameter is the width of the graph and second parameter is the height of the graph. So this line will change by default size to the what, 50 width and 5 height. So just execute this one. Now check out, it is showing like 50 width and which one, 5 height. When I double click here, check out here, it will display in maximize format. You will get clearly idea. If you have lot of what prices, share prices, or you have a lot of data, then you can increase the size, that is width and height, by using which one, RC params what parameter. Okay, so in this way you can decorate your what time series data by using which one, matplotlib. And this is the simple description or explanation about which one, time series data.